So in this video I will show you Google Home Nestware difference between Nestware and Nestware Plus. This is the part 2 of the video. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's start the video. What is the difference between Nestware and Nestware Plus? The standard Nestware subscription extends event history to 30 days. Google sells an upgrade option Nestware Plus that stretches this out to 60 days and adds 10 days to continuous video history if you need to see more footage. Is it worth getting Nestware? Best answer yes. While useful without subscription, a Nestware subscription plans give you access to cloud storage as well as the ability to share clips, receive intelligent alerts, and customize activity zones. Do I need a Nestware subscription for each camera? You don't need a subscription for each device you own. This subscription plan will cover all your Nest devices, including video doorbells, smart displays, and speakers. Does Nest have a monthly fee? You have the $6 per month Nestware and $60 per year, which gives you access to event video history and facial recognition. Using a Nest Cam without a subscription can detect and alert you about anything passing its sensors. Without a subscription, however, with Nestware you can have facial recognition for familiar faces. How do I use Nestware free trial? If you are eligible, you can opt into the Nestware 30-day trial when you add an eligible product to the Home app or Nest app. Depending on your region, a 30-day trial may be available. You can purchase a subscription for Nestware at any time during your trial or after it ends. How do I activate Nestware? Buy and manage Nestware United States. Nestware versus Nestware Plus. The standard Nestware subscriptions extend event history to 30 days. Google sells an upgrade option Nestware Plus that stretches this out. Does Nestware have 24/7 recording? We offer two types of recording for aware subscriptions: continuous 24/7 recording and event video recording, where the camera or doorbell only saves video when activity is detected. Nestware near me. Nest security camera, Nest video recording subscription for Nest cams. Is new Nestware available yet? Starting this week, the new Nestware is rolling out in 19 markets. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.